24 of your GK book, Presidents of India. In this chapter, we will learn about the presidents of India and will identify their face. This is the picture of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was the first president of India. He was the first president of India. He was lawyer by profession. He was an Indian independence activist. He born on 3rd December 1884. He was awarded with Bharat Ratna. This is the picture of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was an Indian philosopher, academic and statesman who served as the first Vice President of India and the second President of India. He served his service from 1962 to 1967. Look this picture. This is the picture of Dr. Zakir Hussain. He was an Indian economist and political who served as third Prime Minister of India from 13 May to 1967 until his death, 3 May 1969. He was also awarded with Bharat Ratna. He served as the third president of India. Sorry, children, he was the third president of the India. Varahagiri Venkatagiri. Varahagiri Venkatagiri. Varahagiri Venkatagiri served his service as the President of India from 1969 to 1974. He was the fourth President of India. This is the picture of Dr. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. Dr. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. He worked as the President of India from 1974 to 1977. From 1974 to 1977, he was the President of India. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. He was the President of India from 1977 to 1988. Gyani Jail Singh. Gyani Jail Singh. He served his service from 1982 to 1987. He was the seventh President of India. R. Venkataraman. R. Venkataraman. He was an Indian lawyer by profession. He served as the President of India. His service from 1987 to 1992. He was the eighth President of India. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. He was the ninth President of India and eighth Vice President of India. He was the ninth President of India and eighth Vice President of India. He served his service from 1992 to 1997. K. R. Narayan. K. R. Narayan served his service from 1997 to 2002. He was an diplomat, academic and political. He was the 10th President of India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was the President of India from 2002 to 2007. From 2002 to 2007. He was an aerospace scientist and political. He was an aerospace scientist and political. Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. Pratibha Devi Singh Patil was the President of India from 2007 to 2012. She was the 12th President of India. Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee. He served his service as the President of India from 2012 to 2017. He was the 13th President of India. Dr. Ramnath Kovind. Dr. Ramnath Kovind is the present President of India. He became the President of India in 2017. So you all have to listen the video very carefully. Fill in your book by listening the video. Spellings are given here. Okay, listen carefully, fill your book and show it to me and learn it. Thank you, children.